Over the next few days, you keep searching. One video becomes 5, 5 becomes 20. You start learning how the markets kind of work. You learn that stocks have ticker symbols. You finally understand what the Nasdaq is all about, an index made up of the largest companies trading on the market. Then you discover the S&P 500, and you learn why there's the number 500 in the name. It's because, well, of course, 500 companies, 500 stocks grouped into a single index. Little by little, the financial world starts to become less confusing. At least, that's what you think. You learn about stocks, forex, futures, commodities, crypto, etc. The more you learn, the more interested you become. And with every video, every article, every new concept that clicks into place, you start to believe. You understand how it all works. For the first time, you stop thinking, what is trading? And you actually start thinking, maybe I can do this too. Then you see it. A video showing a trading strategy, one of thousands that exist online. Something about it catches your attention. You didn't know why, but it just feels right to you. And before you fully think through it, you take your first real step. You open a trading account with a broker. It could be futures, forex, stocks, or even a prop firm. You deposit money. You feel excited. Your mind starts running ahead, flashing images of richness, opportunity, success. Real success. A future that is finally within reach. A future that is worth living. At this point, everything feels perfect. You just discovered a strategy, you've set up the broker account, your funds are in, and your motivation is high. You're ready to take your first trade.